the long weekend ahead of me, I decided to head north to a large patch of crown land in northern Ontario to do a little bit of off-roading, self-reflection, and hiking. Northern Ontario is like a playground for people like me. A place to blow off some steam and get away from the monotony of today's world. Thank you for joining me on the debut of this channel, and welcome to the Green Getaway. had these big plans to do this big epic video that was going to be like an introduction to this channel. But I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. I think I'm going to do this. This is way more fun. Maybe I'm not meant to make these super cinematic videos. I literally scripted it and everything, and it's just so much work. Yes! So I set out on a bit of a hike right now. These train tracks that I'm on go to kind of a cool looking lake system. So I'm gonna head that way and see what I can find. Man, trains are loud as shit. So what is the Green Getaway? The Green Getaway is simply a means of expressing myself in a way that I can't in my regular everyday life. I'm hoping that this channel will be based around how life's best experiences are found outdoors, and that true happiness is found on the other side of adversity and the most difficult challenges. Now, obviously the challenges aren't going to be too crazy at the beginning on this channel, but as it grows, as I gain sponsors, and as I get a little more cash flow, I'm hoping that it'll be able to fund some more epic challenges. But for now, and for this weekend, I will be doing a little bit of hiking down these train tracks, doing some drone flying and some Jeep driving. And yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do this. I'm sure if I just keep doing it, it will work itself out. I'm coming up on this lake now. It's looking pretty cool. Oh man. This is sweet. Not a bad spot for a cottage. Wow, so peaceful. I think I should come back and camp right there. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I've had a lot of people ask me what I do when I come out here. I just sit and I think about what I want to do with my life, what I want to be, where I want to go. I think about what's next. That's what I think about. I think one of the reasons why I started this channel is because I wanted something that made me feel good here. I have a good job and I make good money, but in reality, it doesn't feed my soul. I know it sounds kind of sappy, but it's just the truth. I want to do things that set me on fire. That's what I want to do. It wasn't until this moment that I realized what the real purpose of this video was. As a creative person, there seems to be about 10 hours of thought for 1 hour of activity. This video isn't about the challenge or the adventure. It's about showing the process that the mind can go through when you have a new idea. The pathway that the Green Getaway takes me on is unclear at the moment, but it's an evolving thought. In these moments, I always try to remember one thing. Your hopes, dreams, and goals are not directly in front of you. They're surrounding you. A step in any direction is a good step, just as long as you are moving and as long as you are motivated. Well, that was a good trip. I know in reality I didn't do a whole lot, but it's just nice to get out. It's nice to go explore kind of unknown areas. I'm so happy I built this thing. Sorry, I didn't build it. I built it out to be a camper. I think I should do like a little walkthrough for you guys, just to show you what I've done. But anyway, I think it's time for me to pack up and head out. It was a short trip. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, please get subscribed for the next episode. I'll be giving you a full walkthrough of my 2017 Jeep Wrangler, aptly named Cedar Willie. I'll give you a look into the build process, as well as my thoughts on why I think that the Wrangler makes the perfect budget mini camper.